So they've fed, they've gone potty, and they had milk from their mummy and solids, and now they are playing a little bit, but they come to their bed and play and then they just kind of pass out. They've kind of started biting a little bit now, and I've noticed that some have teeth. Hey baby girl. Hello. They come up to you to play too, which is really, really cute. There you go, she's biting. Oh, she's got teeth. Obviously this is a behaviour that kind of needs to be nipped in the bud very early. At the moment this doesn't hurt at all, but by the time they get to 8 weeks, they are literally land sharks and hurts like crazy. So just letting you see her face. There's no pother at the moment, but I do have toys. You can see them scattered around the place. So we'll divert their attention to the toys so that they don't make a habit of chewing their humans. Hey little Millie. Hey? Hey little Millie. Look at this beautiful coat. They're getting lots of waves. You don't know exactly how Labradoodle is going to turn out, whether they're going to be woolly or fleecy or whatever. But some obviously have more waves in their coat than others. So, and I noticed that their faces are all starting to look very different. What happened, little Chonk? Chonk has a very... He's a big boy. He's got a big face. Very cute. He came to say hello. Hello, beautiful girl. How you doing? How you doing, beautiful? Oh, you're so precious. You're so precious. Yeah, you are.